What if I told you that Philips Hue just released a light strip so bright it could practically replace your ceiling lights? We're talking up to 6,000 lumens of pure brilliant light. That's brighter than most smart bulbs combined. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the new Philips Hue Flux Ultra Bright light strip. Is it worth the premium price? Who is this really for? And most importantly, should you upgrade from your current setup? Let's find out. 2025 has been a massive year for Philips Hue light strips. We've seen the new Hue Flux Gradient light strip, the OmniGlow with its incredible diffusion, and now this Hue Flux Ultra Bright. So, here's the quick context. The Hue Flux Ultra Bright is essentially the souped-up version of the standard Hue Flux light strip. While the regular Flux light strip maxes out at about 2000 lumens, this bad boy cranks things up to a whole new level. Let's see what Philips gives us. I've got the 3-meter version here. Packaging is classic Hue. Clean, informative. Inside the box, the Flux light strip itself, neatly coiled. Power supply unit with the appropriate regional plug. Quick start guides and safety documentation. Build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Philips Hue. Premium materials and evenly spaced LEDs. There's a silicone coating protecting the LEDs that makes it feel robust and gives it some flex without feeling cheap. Dimensions are compact, just 14.5 mm or 1.45 cm wide and 6 mm or 0.6 cm thick. That's slim enough to fit into standard aluminium profiles. The LED spacing is just 2.75 centimeters. That's half the distance of Hue Lightstrip Plus and Solo for a much smoother wash. Cut points every 16.6 centimeters. The strip comes pre-cut to length options and is extendable, just like other Hue light strips, making it flexible for many scenarios like behind desks, under shelves, behind TVs, or under cabinet lighting. And here's the good news. Those cut sections can be reused. You're not throwing away perfectly good LEDs. Just grab the appropriate connectors and you can repurpose them elsewhere. Speaking of connectors, and this is important, the 90-degree angle connectors and extension accessories aren't available just yet. Philips Hue has confirmed they're coming later in 2026, but if you're planning a complex installation with corners, you might want to factor that into your timing. Philips Hue Flux Ultra Bright light strip comes in 3 different lengths: 3 meters, 5 meters, and 10 meters. 3 meter. This is the most compact option, delivering 2,900 lumens while consuming 29 watts of power. It also offers the highest brightness per meter, making it ideal for shorter runs where maximum intensity is needed. 5 meter. The mid-sized version increases total output to 4,800 lumens with 48 watt power usage. It balances coverage and brightness, suitable for medium-sized walls or shelving. 10 meter. The longest option pushes total brightness up to 6,000 lumens and draws 60 watts. While it's the brightest overall, the light output is spread over a longer distance, resulting in lower brightness per meter compared to the shorter versions. Key takeaway here is, shorter strips provide more lumens per meter, meaning they appear brighter and more intense in concentrated areas. Longer strips deliver far more total light, but the brightness is distributed across the entire length. This makes choosing the right size crucial depending on whether you want maximum punch or wide, even illumination. In the Philips Hue app, navigate to the Flux Ultra Bright light strip. Here you can see a circular color wheel to control the Flux light strip gradient. Each color marker on the wheel represents a segment of the light strip. You can drag these color pickers around the wheel to choose different colors. As you move a segment, the color updates in real time. The light strip smoothly blends between colors. You can create multi-color gradient effects. By placing the markers at different positions on the wheel, you can mix warm and cool tones, create rainbow gradients, and design custom ambient lighting. The smooth transitions between colors show how the Flux light strip supports dynamic gradient lighting, not just single colors. This gives you full creative control. Simply drag, adjust, and watch the gradient change instantly on your light strip. Tap on the effects icon. Here, you can choose from a variety of pre-built lighting effects designed to create different moods and atmospheres. The effects are grouped into categories such as flames, including candle and fireplace effects for a warm, cozy glow. Sparkly, effects like glisten that add shimmering animated highlights. To apply an effect, simply tap on any effect. The Flux Ultra Bright Lightstrip updates instantly with that animation. You can switch between effects at any time. You also have the option to create your own custom effects by tapping the plus button, giving you even more control over colors and motion. This makes it easy to set a relaxing ambience, add dynamic decorative lighting, customize your space with just a few taps. Here's something that often gets overlooked: true white performance. With color-changing light strips, and that's the white light quality. The Flux Ultra Bright has dedicated white and warm white LEDs separate from the color LEDs. What does this mean? It means when you want pure, clean white light, you're not getting some RGB approximation. You're getting genuine white tones. The color temperature range spans from the warmest amber tones of a sunset all the way to cool daylight whites. This makes it genuinely useful as functional lighting, not just mood lighting. Who should buy this Hue Flux Ultra Bright Light Strip? Let me be real with you about who this product is for, because it's not for everyone. The Flux Ultra Bright is for you if you need functional lighting that can replace or supplement your main room lighting. You're doing architectural lighting projects like cove or wall wash installations. You want the flexibility to go bright when needed, not just ambient glow. You're already invested in the Philips Hue ecosystem. So, is the Philips Hue Flux Ultra Bright worth it? If you need serious brightness in a smart light strip format, this is genuinely the brightest thing on the market. Absolutely remarkable. And the quality of both the color and white light is excellent. It's not cheap, but for the right application, it's a game changer. This isn't just mood lighting anymore. It's proper, functional illumination that happens to also be smart and colorful. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home content. Drop a comment below and let me know, what would you use a light strip this bright for? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.